The High Power Committee or HPC overseeing the construction of the new Meghalaya Assembly building at Mawdyangdang has extended the project's completion timeline, now targeting an inauguration before the autumn session of 2025. The unique structural design of the building, particularly its dome, has been a significant factor in the cautious progress. The dome's intricate design, not commonly seen in this region, requires meticulous execution to avoid any potential mishaps. This complexity has necessitated the deployment of a structural engineer on site to ensure quality control throughout the process. The meeting to review progress was chaired by Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma and attended by key stakeholders including Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tingsong and Snobhalang Dhar, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma, Legislators Charles Spring Pingrobe, Lakman Rimboy and Bante Dor Lingdo, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Assembly Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Andrew Simons and other senior officials. The project has faced delays primarily due to the dome structure, which involves complex welding and fixing of extensive steel components. Initially planned for completion in time for the budget session, the remaining sensitive work made this timeline unfeasible. A 100-day extension has been granted, with stakeholders now focusing on meeting the revised goal of inaugurating the building before the autumn session of 2025. In response to earlier setbacks, the design and materials of the dome have been revised. The previous design, which weighed 3,000 metric tons and was suspended on a platform, has been replaced with a lighter structure weighing 85 metric tons, supported by the main beams and foundation. This change addresses concerns related to seismic safety, rain leakage and long-term maintenance, while also ensuring greater stability.
So we had the high-powered committee meeting today, and we are all very satisfied with the progress of the work. Of course, there are challenges. We had a certain mishap that took place a couple of years back, and therefore, as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker, we want to be very sure that we don't rush into anything. The engineers of the PWD department, the PMC, the contractors have met on multiple occasions to ensure that every minute detail is looked into, and therefore they have urged that they should not rush into the construction, and rushing things could obviously complicate things. So therefore, as HPC, we have agreed that we would want it to be done well, and therefore we have agreed for a few months, about 100 days extension, which will then of course not make it possible for us to have the budget session as we had envisaged and wanted. So we are hopeful that we should be able to have the autumn session of 2025 here. But overall, as I said, the work is going well. The dome structure, we have reviewed it again and again, and just to share with everybody that the design of the dome structure has been completely changed from the past. Earlier, the dome was suspended on a platform, but now the dome's main structure will be on the main beams and main foundation. So the pressure will not be on the platform, which was holding the dome, but rather the dome's structure will go and rest on the beams and the foundation, and hence it's going to be a very stable structure. Number two, the earlier dome design and materials used was making the dome structure at a weight of 3,000 metric tons. That's about 3 lakh kgs. Now, after the change in design and material changes, the dome weight has come down from 3,000 metric tons today to 85 metric tons. And hence, not just the design has been changed, but the materials used in the construction are being changed, which is going to make the dome very much more stable compared to what it was before, much lighter also.
And we also have reactions from Meghalaya Speaker Thomas A. Sangma on the matter. Let's listen in.
And it is with deep concern that we had made certain decisions. First of all, we are going for slowly. we have been going very carefully, because this kind of structure and design that the main hall dome has been designed is, there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country. So we are going very slow. We are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted. So we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very, new structure design for us, so we are going little slowly. So we had earlier decision was that we should have our budget session here, but we're very sorry that we will not be able to have this budget session, because there are certain work has to be very done, which are very sensitive, and we cannot just speed up, rush.